How do I give PPC access or permission to a child account in Amazon? So the easiest way for you to do it right now in 2026, February 24th, when I'm recording this, the way how we would give or request access from an account is through a solution provider way. So that is the way that Amazon right now is advocating for. Beforehand, what was a good way also to share just like child access, and based on that, it would be allowing someone to take either limited, either full access over your account. You can give them either view permission, edit permission, or admin permission. Unless you know exactly the person that whoever it's going to go through your account, I would not allow more than view permission, and that if they really need to work on the account, maybe edit permission. Admin permission would be whenever it's going to come down to someone is fully taking charge and they're going to be your partners, right? So for example, in our case, we are not anymore asking for permission that is limited. We're asking for a super user permission. Why? Is because it's within our contract, and the ways how that's the easiest way to set up. And literally we have such a system in place that if they're really unhappy with whatever is going on, they're getting back their money. So there's like no downside, honestly. And also that is allowing us to move way quicker rather than, oh, give us this access and this access. So when it comes down to a child account permission in Amazon, that is the route that I would take. This comes from a perspective of an agency owner. You as a brand owner, you would just go through these steps based on whatever the agency or manager would recommend to you. Never give more access than view, especially when it comes down to auditing your ads. Why? It's because we never take more than view access, just because we want to make sure that no one can accuse us, quote unquote, literally, actually, that we did any changes to their account before we onboarded them.